Another uptick in the country's unemployment rate. Statistics South Africa says the country's jobless rate rose from 30.8% to 32.5% between October and December last year. ENCA's business editor David Murugan joins us for more. Of course,
Don't be afraid, let it be known who you are. Hold your head up high. Don't be afraid, let it be known who you are. Hold your head up high.
Following up on a vid from yesterday where I was like, this is how you make money using your YouTube skills. You're gonna need your computer, you're gonna need your camera, some way to accept payments because you're making money unless you're taking cash, which is awesome. Here's what you're gonna do, all right? You're gonna pull up to the shop. You're gonna go sell a video to them. Your heart's gonna start racing about a mile a minute because of what you're about to do. I want you to close your eyes and take 5 deep breaths.
Okay, babe, we just arrived. We're about to go to the spot like right there, you know, and we're gonna see what happens, man. You know, I just hope I don't waste my time. There's no such thing as wasted time, though. It's a learning curve. We call that a learning curve. So I'm gonna go there and offer my service, you know. And without further ado, man, let's get straight to this, you know what I'm saying? And that's exactly what I did, guys. I pulled up to the spot, went to the shop. I really liked that place. I proceeded to ask him, does he want a video for the spot? Then he told me they have social media already. So as enthusiastic as I was, I'm like, okay, can I do it for free then? And it's like, okay, no problem, go ahead. And that's what I did, man. So let's roll the clip for that.
Andisaka elenyanga Spiti yehla kuyenyuka Njalo njalo kuze phela unyaka Sivuka noma singafuni Andisaka.
But one striking thing occurred to me when I was about to film that first video. The guy asked me, have I shot any other videos before? He wants to see my work. And I was just starting out, so it was like, hey man, what can I really show him? So I was like, just trust me, man. I'll send him this video and hopefully he's happy with it. And he was happy with it, man, in the end, man. So yeah, I did that video. That was a small snippet of it. Then I met one of his other friends. He asked me, do I shoot these other types of videos? Yeah, I said, yeah, I can shoot a hype video for him. It was a hype video, you know. I said, yeah, I'll do it for you, no problem. So here's another video I did that same day.
I'm saying, bad bitch to left, real niggas to the right, you did.
So here's where things started getting interesting. I was looking around, looking for where to shoot, you know, give people a free video here and there. So basically, I walked past this other coffee shop. I pull up, I'm like, hey, let me search. Do they have Instagram accounts? Do they have social media? Do they have whatnots? Pull up there, I say, I don't see, they don't even have Instagram. It's like, okay, let me try film for them. Let me ask her. Then I asked her to film. She took my details down. Then she asked me that question again. How long have I been doing this for? Then I'm like, I've been doing this for 3 years. That's how I back myself, you know. So basically, I'm about to do this spot right here. Then she actually said yes to me. That's good news. I'm gonna do this spot right here. Do a nice video for them. And yeah, show the boss, you know, if they're interested, they can use the video. And I proceeded to shoot the video, guys. Alright, so next spot we're gonna try out is this princess salon here. Wanna do a video of this place, but I don't know if they'd want me to, you know. Just spoke to the other lady. She gave me this pamphlet. Someone must call her that she wouldn't mind doing the video. So that's another bag, guys. That's another potential bag. That's what I thought. But after that, it was rejection on rejection, man. I even got tired, man. By the end of 2 weeks, I had approached about 11 to 15 shops. Only people that heard me out were about 5 shops, you know. And out of those 5 that heard me on whatever, I got 0. This method, man, this practical method of going out doing it, this is the hard method, man. So keep the faith, keep the hope, push on, don't give up, because people will disappoint you. So this was when I gave up on doing this type of method ever again. So when I pulled up to one of the restaurants near my area, what did the waiters say to me exactly, man? I'm like, hey man, I want to provide a service here. They said that their boss is stingy, that I'm wasting my time here, you won't even hear me out. Now look at their Instagram page, but they don't even have an Instagram video. Only thing is literally on Google Maps. That's how you find them. Then I'm like, okay, it's time to move on from this. Fast forward down the line, I had done a bunch of free videos for people, you know. Did a car video.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start?
Did a sports video. Did more shop videos, more sports videos, more hype videos for people, you know. Just trying to perfect my craft, you know. Mind you guys, I was only doing this with a phone and a tripod from an old camera, old camera. So gimbal arrived. This is it, man. Spent my profit. Resources were limited, but hey man, I know what I had to do to make it look good enough, you know. The editing carries most of it at the end of the day. So when I got tired of doing all these videos, you know, that's when I searched, how can you make money as a videographer, as an editor, as a creative in general, man. Stumbled on 2 apps, Fiverr and Upwork. Upwork, man. Upwork is what I downloaded, you know. Upwork caters for a whole bunch of freelancers, you know. So I signed up on Upwork, you know. All those videos I did, put them there, you know, as credibility. So put all my skills, you know, what I'm good at. Guys, Upwork does not only cater for the creatives like me, man. You know, it caters for a whole bunch of things, like the ranges, eh? There are 10,000 plus skills on demand on Upwork, you know, ranging from IT and engineering, obviously creative and design, sales and marketing, customer support. I believe everyone can fit into one category at least. Upwork is also another hard one to get a job on there. To secure a job on Upwork is hard, man. You can apply to so many jobs, man, and you'll just see that there'll be 30 proposals already being given. What makes you stand out of those 30 proposals, 20 to 30 proposals, all those people that have submitted their proposal for that specific job, you know? It's your profile. Your profile is very important. Profile is very important. The better your profile is, you know, showing people you're good at this, you can secure an invitation. That's how I secured most of my work. I think for 2.5 weeks, I was just applying for jobs, submitting proposals here and there for 2 weeks straight. I think in the 3rd week, I actually landed my first job, which is surprising because some people go months on months without even getting one job, you know. So it was an invitation. Those were the only jobs I've actually gotten up until this present date are invitations, you know. That means your profile is working, you know, because when they search for what they want, you come up, you know. Your profile is the one they're looking for. You convince them to hire you now, you know. And that's how I did it, man. And hopefully this motivates y'all, man. Do my work, guys, as a videographer, man. I get invitations for me to travel, to go places. So I really enjoy, the work I do, man. If you know you're good at something, hop on Upwork or Fiverr. Be a freelancer, man. Offer your services, and I believe you can make some decent cash out there, guys. Good luck.